Good morning and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter and I also have some friends along with me. I have Pete, I have Cadmar, and Gabrielle. I had to remember your names. Cadmar and Gabrielle. So I'm so glad to see you today. We're so glad to see you today. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. All right. It is really cold and rainy outside where I am, but it's nice, warm, and sunny in here with you. So let's get along. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say a nursery rhyme. We're going to say Humpty Dumpty. And you may have heard me say these other days, but I want you to kind of memorize it, remember it. So we're going to do for memorization. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Why? Because he was an egg. That's our little joke with Humpty Dumpty. Okay, now let's go. And now we're going to do our 5 senses. You have 5 senses. I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears, I can taste with my tongue, and I can touch with my hands. Illa walla do do do, oh yeah. Illa walla do do do, oh yeah. I love you. You know why we say that we love you? Because we really do. Right, Pete? Cadmar and Gabrielle? Yes, they love you too. Okay, now, let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week. Now, let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. You did a good job. give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Good job. All right, now that you did that so well, let's say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job! Yay! And give yourself a pat on the shoulder because you did an awesome job. Now, we're going to do our numbers. Can you count your numbers? And can you use your fingers counting your numbers? Because you have 10 fingers, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, let's count those numbers one more time, and then we're going to count from 1 to 10 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, now, are you ready to count in Spanish? Let's count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You want to do it one more time in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome! You did such a good job. We are so proud of you. Now, let's do our letter of the week. But before we do the letter of the week, let's sing a song. This is one of my favorite songs. I used to sing this all the time with my pre-K teacher. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. Let's start walking. Just hit yourself very gently on your thighs. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. He met Miss Market on his way. He tipped his hat. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? He wanted to put a ring on her finger. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? We'll live together, make an apple tree, an apple tree. Mr. Frog, he's hungry now. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? What? Fried mosquitoes and bread and butter. That's kind of gross to us, but that's yummy to Mr. Frog. Let's sing it one more time. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. He met Miss Market on his way. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? We'll live together in an apple tree. Mm-hmm. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market what we having for supper. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market what we having for supper. Fried mosquitoes and bread and butter. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good. So the more we sing those songs, the more you'll learn them. But that's a fun song, isn't it? Right, Pete? Kamar and Gabrielle, did you enjoy that song? I enjoyed that song. Let's sing one more. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay? Now you sing along with me. Let's get in our boat and let's get our rows. I don't know what you call those things. I call them boards. But we're going to roll, okay? And now we're going to roll. We're going to pretend we're rowing a boat. Paddles. Oh, thank you, cameraman. He let me know. Those are called paddles. Okay, let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Very good. Good job. Pat yourself on the shoulder and thank you for listening. Now, if you hear a little ruffling in the background, those are my friends. I have one friend on the side that's watching. Okay? I have other friends that are watching with me. So now we're going to do our letter of the week. Now, our letter, not of the week. This is of the day because we've been doing letters all week long. So this letter of the day is the letter C. Let's draw a C. And a C is a half a circle. Okay, are you ready? Now remember, whenever we're writing, we don't want you to write on the walls. We don't want you to write on tables. We always want you to write on paper. So always ask for someone older than you to give you a sheet of paper. You can use a pencil, a marker, or crayon. You want to get your pinchers, which is your thumb and your first finger. And we're going to hold our pencil, whatever you're writing with, like this. And then we're going to start on our paper, okay? Now, C stands for cat. Cat, meow. That's a little, you've seen a cat before. So that is the first letter of the word cat. So we're going to draw that letter, which is C. More so, write it, okay? C starts with a half a circle, just like that. You're not doing any lines, you're just doing half a circle. You're just going to roll your pencil or pen around like that. Okay? Let's do it again. A half a circle. Just like that. See? Now, these are mama C's, but we're going to make some baby C's. So the mama C's are larger. So you just do a half a circle. Now, it may seem like it's a little difficult, but the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So let's just practice. We're going to start here and just come all the way around. See, it almost looks like a smile. Okay? Let's do it again. Start here, just come all the way around. Don't pick your crayon or your pencil off of your paper. Just leave it on the paper and then just come around like that. The letter C. Let's make some more. Start here and then come all the way around and stop. You're not going to close it up like this. That's a full circle. You want to stop at a certain point. So you start here, come all the way around and stop. It's like an open circle. All right? We're going to erase our board. I'm going to erase my board. And also, it's also nice to get a white erase board like this. You can practice on these. These are very excellent to practice on when you're learning how to write, because you can already imagine erase it right away. Okay, now let's make some baby C's. Little half a circle. See? Start here, you just a little half a circle. These are baby C's. Start here, stop. Start here, stop. Remember the mama C's? Start here and stop. They're larger. So the baby C's, little half a circles. See? All right, let's do some more big ones. Half a circle, stop. These are mommy C's. Half a circle, stop. And do not get upset because you're trying, and that's all we want you to do. Right, Pete? Yeah. Right, kids? We just want you to try. So as long as you're trying, you're doing an awesome job. And the more you practice, the better you get at it. Okay, let's do one more. A half, start here. Come around, stop. That's the letter C. Very good. I am so proud of you. We are so proud of you. So, that ends our circle time for today. And we're so happy to see you. And I hope you join us tomorrow where we're going to do the letter D. And then we're going to just recap. Well, I said recap for you, for little people. But we're going to repeat everything we learned on Friday, okay? So remember, we love you and we thank you for watching. And you have a great, great day. Bye-bye now.